Hello everybody, so do you want the tween effect like this sample? So for that you have to go to your CapCut application. Now select your background. Now you have to select the photo or video that you want to move on your background. So go to overlay option, add overlay. I'm going to select this green screen video that I have downloaded from YouTube. Now I'm going to the option cutout, selecting chroma key, color pick, picking the green color, adjusting the intensity. Okay, going to the shadow, adjusting it perfectly. I think this better. Now I'm adjusting this image. Now let's see how it looks. You can see it's running on the same place. If you want to move this rabbit from here to there, you have to put this video the first position and you can see a keyframing button. Click on this. After that, go to your last portion of the video and at this point drag it and make it like this. So now let's see how it looks. See how the movement is created. Let me adjust this from here and also adjust this here. See how cool it's looking. So isn't it so much easy? In this way you can also put any images or anything on your background and create any movement as you want. So if this video helped you, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video.